milkshake. To make this recipe, there are 10 ingredients. They are papaya, pomegranate, grapes, banana, kiwi, apple, chocolates, dry fruits, sugar, ice, milk. Before making this recipe, I will wash my hand. Then I will wash these fruits and cut it. Now I cut in all the fruits with help of my mother. Now I add all the fruits put in a mixer. So let's start. First the banana. Papaya. Then grapes. Then apple. Then ice cube. Then I will add 1 spoon sugar. Then I will add chocolate. Okay. Now I will mix it. Now I will add milk. Now I will mix it. Now I switch on the mixer. I will put in this glass. Now I mixed it. Now I will put in this glass now. First I will open this glass. Now I will this milkshake I will put in this glass. Now I decorate the milkshake. Our milkshake is ready. The milkshake is so tasty. From this milkshake, we get calcium,